On the day that our two hearts met, I was convinced that we'd never regret the hours together when our new love grew, and promising dreams that we thought would come true. You were unsure of my long-term's intent. Would I still be here when our lives were spent? That's when I saw that for my whole life through, for 5,000 weeks, I would love only you. We mapped out our lives in hours that night. We dreamed of the dreams of lovers in flight, plans that were made for our years ahead. We both saw the future and pledges were said. It was so clear in the morning's first light. Everything's perfect, or seemed so that night, as we faced the sunrise. Both you and I knew for 5,000 weeks I would love only you. We were like students as we faced the night. We talked of the wrongs that we thought that we'd right. We discussed things that we thought we'd do, and all the ideas that we thought were new. 5,000 weeks was what I promised you as we faced the dawn and the day that was new. I thought myself clever when I said to you, for 5,000 weeks I will love only you. Times changed our lives. There's times I regret how much I have changed since the day that we met. Little's the same as it was at that time, and though we're apart, we're still two of a kind. One thing's the same between you and me. In spite of it all, I will never be free. One thing can't change as my life I go through. For 5,000 weeks I will love only you. I'll say it again, and in fact I'll renew. For 5,000 weeks I will love only you.